Aloha, my name is Mahea Lani, and I'm the Outreach Coordinator for the Hanauma Bay Education Program. The Hanauma Bay Education Program, or HBEP, is based at the Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve in Honolulu, Hawaii. HBEP is an education program whose mission is to enhance appreciation and promote understanding and stewardship of Hawaii's marine environment through public education. HBEP is administered by the University of Hawaii Sea Grant College Program and is supported by the City and County of Honolulu Department of Parks and Recreation. HBEP Podcast Number 5, Te Moana Nui, Our Ocean.
Aloha, and welcome to our educational podcast. My name's Charles.
And I'm Gavin.
And this is Mahea Lani.
And we are part of the education team here at Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve, located in Honolulu, Hawaii. Throughout our educational podcast, listen for our trivia question, scientific words, and other sound bites and music.
Guess what, guys?
What?
It's summertime.
Woohoo! Summer's on!
Longer days?
Summer swells.
And ice cream! Well, I guess you can always eat ice cream.
Or shaved ice.
Don't you mean ice shaved?
Ooh, snow cones.
Well, I think you get the point.
Actually, it feels like summer all the time here in Hawaii. But do you know why? Our trivia topic for this podcast is the tropics. Instead of having 4 seasons, Hawaii typically has 2 seasons, a wet season and a dry season. This is due to the fact that Hawaii is in the tropics. Our trivia question is, what are the latitudes of the tropics?
Think about your answer. And for this trivia question, remember, the equator is 0 degrees latitude and the North Pole is 90 degrees latitude. We will answer this trivia question at the end of the podcast. Good luck!
Periodically, the education program receives questions about marine life. We address these questions in our advice column called Dear Darren. Dear Darren, we had a lot of hurricanes last year and people tell me it's because of El Nino. But I actually don't know what El Nino is. Can you tell me what it is? Darren writes, El Nino is an ocean atmosphere phenomenon that affects the weather. During El Nino years, ocean temperatures are unusually warm, and as a consequence, winds will blow in the opposite direction. Here in Hawaii, this means that our northeast trade winds are weakened or will blow from the southwest. And since ocean temperatures are warmer, there is a greater chance of hurricanes.
Every week, HBEP is the host of an educational talk that is free for the public to attend. These educational talks are part of our outreach program, and here to talk about that outreach program is Mahea Lani, our outreach coordinator. Hey Mahea Lani.
Aloha, Charles.
Let's start by talking about outreach. What is it?
Well, outreach is definitely a word that you don't hear every day, but different businesses and organizations have outreach programs that basically connect people to resources. HBEP's outreach program connects science and society.
Science and society. How so?
We have these weekly educational talks that are free and open to the public. These weekly talks are part of the Outreach Educational Lecture Series where scientists in Hawaii come to Hanauma Bay and share their latest research results with the general public.
Sounds pretty interesting, Mahea Lani. What do the scientists talk about?
All the topics relate to Hawaii's marine life and environment. We have talks about Hawaiian monk seals, coral reefs, sea level rise, seabirds, shipwrecks, hurricanes, turtles, and even citizen science opportunities.
Oh, that's quite a variety there.
So we invite different scientists from a variety of research backgrounds to have different topics each month. This way our seminar patrons will have a thorough and complete public understanding of Hawaii's latest research. The outreach program also coordinates public events that are here at Hanauma Bay. We have educational activities and crafts for the children. These public events are a great way to get people interested in the marine environment. It's also another way that science is communicated, but in a different way other than discussions or in the lecture format.
More interesting ways.
Yeah, sometimes it's easier to understand scientific concepts when you do an activity. And our educational activities are designed to teach important take-home messages about marine life and conservation issues.
So fun for the whole family.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, anything planned for this summer?
Well, yes, this summer we will have an outreach event called Te Moana Nui, Our Ocean, where each month we'll be learning about a different ocean zone.
That sounds really cool.
Each event will be held on the second Saturday of June, July, and August. We'll be learning about the nearshore zone in June, the open ocean in July, and the deep sea in August. And the theme of our educational lecture series, those weekly talks we just talked about, the theme of the month also reflects what scientists will be talking about too.
So there's something for everyone of all ages and interests then.
Yeah, that's right.
HBEP's outreach program, serving as a bridge between science and society.
Yes, and we will continue to be this important connection between people and Hawaii's marine world.
Thanks, Doc.
It's my pleasure, Charles.
Be a part of our podcast. Send a shout out to your friends and family back home, birthday wishes, holiday greetings, and even a thank you. Send it to us at hbaynews@hawaii.edu. Our shout out today is from one of our Make-A-Wish kids. Dear City and County staff and HBEP, thank you so much for helping us get started on snorkeling. It was the best thing of the trip. We all learned how to say the state fish, but not to spell it. Thanks so much for the extra things. I loved it. Thank you so much, Luke.
I didn't know Hanauma Bay participated in Make-A-Wish.
Hanauma is a Make-A-Wish site, and the City and County of Honolulu has hosted Make-A-Wish families for a couple of years now. HBEP helps the city and county staff make the most memorable experience possible for our Make-A-Wish kids.
That's amazing.
It's simply wonderful that we're able to do that. Well, that's a wrap, but before we go, we need to give you the answer to this podcast trivia question. What are the latitudes of the tropics? And the answer is 0 to 30 degrees. So if you could hold the Earth in your hands like a basketball, 0 degrees is the widest part of the basketball, and 30 degrees is just about 3 inches from the widest part. This area of the Earth is the most exposed to the sun's rays, and this is what makes the tropics the tropics. Stay tuned for our next podcast, and mahalo for listening.
Aloha.
Aloha!
Aloha! If you could hold the Earth in your hands like a baseball, 0
Basketball.
degrees... Oh.
You're talking about basketball, though, because if it was a baseball, 3 inches would be the whole ball.
I've got the whole world in my hands. 0 degrees is the widest part from the base.
It's not a baseball. It's not a baseball. It's a basketball.
Yeah, okay.
It's basketball season. This educational podcast featured 3 songs: Thoughts by Chad Smith, Little Idea by bensound.com, and Clear Day by bensound.com. Find it on iTunes and bensound.com.